Hello guys, again this is Tech JTV and I am going to unbox again with a new product that I purchased through online. So this product is very useful for my daily activities while using this Engway T14 e-bike. So as a blogger, so I used to tour around my area. I need this product. I need these accessories to hold my phone while using it. Okay, so as I looking for social media, this is posted by social media ads and it's less price. Yeah, the quality is, let me see if it's good, but I ordered this product through AliExpress. So as I see, this is the product. Okay, I ordered this one, a 360 mobile all-in-one exclusive while still retaining the full touch capability. It took me 1 month before I received this product, okay? Because this is from China and delivered to Croatia. So when they delivered to me, this is already the product. It was opened, okay? Yet the product is still okay. There's no breakage at all. Only the box was open. As you can see, this is 360, okay, adjustable with strong magnetic. Ayan, nakakadikit yung phone. Adjustable to handle and diameter size. So this is open already, so we can open by here. Okay, so this is the product. This is the mobile holder alone. You guys see. Okay, you can open here, here, and here. Okay. So like this. Okay. So this is the magnetic. See, you can see magnetic, guys. As an example, this is metal. So magnetic phone will be holding this one, okay? Aside from that, inside the box is, okay, this clamp. So this is the clamp itself for using the phone. So this will be holding the holder. Same time, inside the box is this. So you have the pin. This is for adjusting. So see, as you can see, it's here. So you can adjust it here. This is so here, like cover all those slots. Yes, I see. So you can use this product through adjustment here. Okay, so adjustment here. As you can see here, it's here. It is adjusted to like this. Cover. Okay, and one more. So 5 nuts to cover. As you can see, and here. So this one is a rubber that may hold here. So as you can see, this will support here and here. There you are. So let's just fix first so we can adjust. Okay guys, this is it. So first thing guys, when you receive this product and you open it, unboxing, this is very tight. You cannot easily rotate this. So what I did, I put an oil so you can easily rotate it. Okay, now it's okay now because I tried many times and the screw here is already damaged. Because I don't know what to do, so I'll try to use his, and the last thing I resorted to is to put an oil. So now it's okay now. So do like this, clamp, okay, and have you seen this? Put inside, so make it rotate first so you can put inside this one, okay, like this. Okay, wait, still. Now it's okay. Still. The good thing for this is you can your phone is protected, but thing is this screen and here it's not clear, so using it by phone, or if you're a blogger and you want to use your phone by taking videos, better remove your phone first and don't use this one because this is not clear at all. It will damage your videos. At the same time, there's no power button on the side because as we all know, this is waterproof and dust proof, so there's no home button to power on your cell phone. So the thing you can do is to activate the screen tap, but still this one is touchable, so I mean it's responsive when you do the open both side here, okay, here and this one. So doing like this, okay, so guys, and this is magnetic, okay, so I guess this will work only for those whose back case is a metal. If you're using a this protector or case, I guess it will not work. So this is plastic made at the back, this is Oppo, so it will not be useful this for magnetic sign. So by the way guys, if you're using a phone and you're using a case with a bulky, I mean it's much bigger than the phone, so this will not fit here, so better remove it. Okay, by putting it, you need to put the phone on the toppest part, okay, like this. So I guess doing like this is much better, and before closing it, okay, like this. So do like this so it will be useful. So do it reverse way before closing it so that it will be maintained the level here, okay. So do it in reverse way then before closing it. So like this, and it's wrong. Okay, great. So like this. So see, still responsive, there's no power button at all, so you cannot open it. The thing is, you just need to tap the screen so it will work, but still it's responsive, you can do anything, okay. See, so remove this first, then put it here. So you can see you need to remove, put here, okay, then try to insert it. That's it. Tighten this way, here, and here, so your phone will be steady in place, okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day to all. Like and subscribe as well for more of my video updates. Thank you. Bye bye.